everyone and welcome to Portugal in this beautiful sunny and warm day. Today my HB R1607. This is from HB Toys. In the unboxing video I forgot to show you all the functions of the lighting, okay? You can switch on this rig without opening the hood. Just press here. Oh, this says RGB lighting, okay? Press it twice, okay? As you can see. Twice again. Again, two presses and the light change on top, okay? Begin right away to see how this rig handles this small trail. Okay, not very well. Top heavy, okay. Okay, the modulation seems nice to me, very controllable. Great rig, these roots tend to flip them over, okay. Okay, very well. I forgot to mention these wheels are 1.3 inches, okay, stock wheels. So this ride is very smooth, okay. It's gentle, I'm liking it. Okay, no drag brake. So this is its top speed, okay? It's quite fast walking pace. More than enough for a trail, a walking trail. Okay, very capable rig for the size. The performance is really good so far. Okay. A shame that this doesn't have drag brake. It would help a lot. but for this price point and having such a good modulation, okay, too much roots here, no, very slow modulation, I'm really liking it. Okay. The wheels are turning inside the tires. We have to glue these tires, okay? But very well. Okay, I think now we're going. Top heavy. This body is a killer. I really like this body. Okay, very nicely done. This rig for the price point is a really good option. With some upgrades this will become a real good rig to have fun. If you get it close to the 50 euros or $50 or about 50-55, this is a very good deal, okay? I will make some mods to this truck and I will going to make some comparisons with my other rigs as well. I hope to enjoy this video. If you let me know. This rig is very scale looking, I'm really digging it. If you want to see more content like this, please let me know as well. And it's all for today, see you next time.